Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. I'll be helping you learn how to recover Yahoo account without phone number in today's episode. Keep watching the video till the very end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Simply go to your web browser and type in yahoo.com. To sign into your Yahoo, tap on the profile icon located at the upper right corner and tap on the sign in button. Now enter your username, your email or your mobile number. After you enter your email or any credential that you want to, simply tap on the next button. When asked to enter your password, tap on Forgot Password. Now you need to select the options by which you want to recover your Yahoo account with. Since we are recovering our Yahoo account without the phone number, tap on Email a code. Now, an email has been sent to the email address that is associated with this account. Go check your email and type in the code that has been sent to you. Since I got an email right here, simply tap open the email, copy the code that has been sent to me, copy and paste right here. Tap on verify after you're done. Now create a new password for your Yahoo. After you're done, tap on the continue button and you have successfully recovered your forgotten Yahoo password in just a simple step. That is how you can recover Yahoo account without phone number. Now simply tap on the continue button. If you want to add any kind of an email or mobile number just for your security purpose, and tap on add email or mobile number and add your alternate email or phone number. After you're done, tap on look good, and that is it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. We'll surely be back again with more tutorial episodes soon. Thank you for watching.